Welcome everyone. This is KOK Party Favors. Today we're going to be designing a Cracker Jack box label in Photoshop. I have my template for the Cracker Jack box label pulled up and it will be for sale in my shop. I have it a listing for the Photoshop version and I have a listing for the Canva version. Okay, we're going to start designing. I'm going to be designing using the Spider-Man theme. So I'm going to pull Spider-Man into my design. I'm going to resize him and I'll just place him right here. And I am going to add some text to this design. And it's going to be happy birthday, Daniel. Okay, now I'm going to have to change my spacing. Everything is jumbled up, so I'm going to put the spacing at 36 to allow all of the, just to make sure that the letters are not overlapping. Okay, and I think my font size, I'm going to put it at 24. Okay, now I am also going to add the age on this design. And Spider-Man does not have this 8 in that particular font. Sometimes the fonts will not include the numbers. It just all depends. For some reason, the version I have doesn't include the font, the numbers. Okay, so I am going to keep it at the yellow color, but I'm going to add a stroke onto that. So I go to FX stroke, and I'm going to add a font. As you can see, I've added a stroke on the 8. The Happy Birthday Daniel, I'm going to add a stroke on that. Go to FX stroke. Okay, have a black stroke on that. The original, I don't need that, so I'm going to take that off. And I am instead going to put the Spider-Man in that area. I'm going to rotate it, and then I'm going to resize it. Okay, the prize inside, I'm going to move up, and I am going to add Spider-Man mask up here at the top. So I'm going to have to resize that. Okay, so I resize that. And let's see if there's anything else we want to add. I think I'll add the spider here at the bottom. And I just have him down here where the Cracker Jacks are. So this looks like he's just sitting on the Cracker Jacks. Eating all the Cracker Jacks. Okay, guys, I think this is going to be our design here. All right, so that is the end of this tutorial. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next video.